welcome to the second tutorial, HTML for beginner, how to create table. Okay, let's start. So this is the uh, web page HTML. Now I'm going to add a table. So the tag table, and let's close it. And the first line with the tier, and let's close it. Always we must close it. And the column with the TD, and let's close it, the first column. On the first column I will call it first name, and the second column to last name. Let's copy it. So last name, and the age. You can also add the country. So the table is not invisible, is not visible. So we must add here border equals to 1, and let's roll the page. So now we can see the table. Now I will add another line to add the value, and let's close it, the tier, and TD, and here for my first name is Maki, and last name Turkey, and the country, for example you can guess. And age 25, and here we see another tier, Maki Turkey, guess 25. Let's add another line, so I must add another tier, and 40 there. Alex Birgit, for example, and country Paris, TD, age 32. Let's add another line, Jenny, and for example Italia, and let's reload. So we have a table, first name, last name, country, age. We can also add another column, for example gender, and let's add here the gender, male, gender here, so gender, male, female. Sorry, there is an error. I forget to close the TD, so let's save again, and this is the gender. We can also delete or add another column. So this is how to create a first table on HTML. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.